And this is news that's just coming in. Actor Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide. That's the news that's coming in at this point in time. The actor was found hanging in his Mumbai home. Actor Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide and is no more. He, in fact, was found hanging in his Mumbai home. Those are the details that are coming in right now. Remember, Sushant Singh Rajput, known for his roles in several films such as Kai Po Che, among others, and he has now committed suicide. Let's in fact go across to Sandhya. Sandhya, what really do we know at this point in time?
See, this is absolutely shocking news which has come. Actor Sushant Singh Rajput, according to Mumbai police, has committed suicide, was found hanging in his apartment. Mumbai police is on the spot. ADR is being registered. Absolutely shocking news which has just come in. What exactly happened, whether or not did he leave a suicide note, all those details are yet to come in. As of now, it's very early to talk about what exactly led and what exactly led to this. Why did the actor take this extreme step? All these information is yet to come out. But as of now, this is what is being informed, that Sushant Singh Rajput has allegedly committed suicide. He was found hanging in his apartment.
Yes, that's right, Sandhya. That is, in fact, the unfortunate news that's coming in at this point in time. Sandhya, you said the Mumbai police has confirmed this right now. Have they been able to tell you anything else at all? Of course, we do know that other details are not yet been revealed or yet being found out. But anything else that the police are saying at this point in time that you're picking up?
See, as of now, police itself is also investigating. As I said, the information has just come. The police has confirmed that the actor committed suicide. But as of now, more details about the suicide note, whether one was left by the actor or not, what exactly led to it, personal reasons, professional reasons, nothing as of now has come out. But all we know as of now is that in this absolutely unfortunate and heartbreaking news, Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide.
That's right, Sandhya. In fact, stay with us. Just want to go through some of the films that Sushant Singh Rajput has, in fact, been part of. He worked in Kai Po Che, Should They See Romance, and he was also in MS Dhoni, The Untold Story. He started off as a contestant on some reality TV shows, and then back in 2010, from there he graduated to doing shows on doing serials as well on television, and then moved to movies as well, and some extremely popular movies that Sushant Singh Rajput was part of. Let's also go across to managing editor Vinay Tiwari, who's joining me at this point. Vinay, extremely shocking news that's coming to light right now.
Yes, I mean, first things first, now we have confirmation that the information about his death was first relayed by his domestic health, who called the local police and informed them that the actor is dead. In fact, we are being told that the Deputy Commissioner of the zone where Bandra actually falls personally spoke to the domestic health as well, and then verified the fact that this is Sushant Singh Rajput, the actor, which is when the local police responded. Yes, it is shocking, and I can tell you that till about a couple of days ago, he was very active on social media. One of his former managers, who used to be his manager for a short while working for a corporate agency that manages some stars, had also committed suicide, and he had actually expressed his condolences at her death, even though the two had worked together for a very short while. He had expressed his condolences. But listen, Sushant Singh Rajput is possibly one of the biggest rising stars that you currently had. And very clearly, in a year that is not going very well for the industry, we've lost some very critical stars to illnesses, very big stars to illnesses. This is going to shock and rock the industry like nothing else can, because he was not just a successful star, he was considered one of the best talents and possibly the best emerging superstar of the making. It's obviously going to be a bit of a mystery till we hear from family and friends on what could have possibly caused it. But this will continue, and this will trigger a huge debate and discussion over exactly, what happens in the personal life of celebrities and stars who are used to the art life. Remember, one of the industries that has been the worst affected because of the lockdown has been this industry. Everything has been on hold. The films are not being released. Cinematic releases are not happening. A couple of films have been released on OTT platforms, but nothing major has happened. So the industry was in a bit of a standstill. work had come to a grinding halt. The industry was obviously going through a difficult time. But for such a big star and such a leading star who actually had no apparent issue or an apparent problem or an insecurity or any of the problems that one would associate with anyone, it is as shocking as it can get, Avni.
Yes, absolutely, Vinay. And like you pointed out, there's still, details we need to know about whether it was professional, personal. None of that is known at this point in time, and this has literally come out, bolt out of the blue, in the current times that we are in. And even Sushant Singh Rajput, like you were talking about, one of the finest actors that we had today, emerging stars really. He started off in 2010 as a contestant on certain reality shows, and then went on to do television shows as well, and before moving on to movies. And he has some excellent movies to his credit, whether it's Kai Po Che, whether it's PK, MS Dhoni, The Untold Story also, which he was in.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, look, he was a pretty well-known star in television. Some of his soaps that he used to be, acting in used to do well. There is no doubt about that. He also, as you said rightly, was part of certain reality shows like Jhalak Dikhla Ja, which is a dance-based show, and had also participated in a couple of other dance shows as well. Kai Po Che, since you mentioned that film, Avni, that was his debut film, which actually ended up getting nominated for the best film category, and him being nominated as the best actor. So that, of course, told you the kind of merit and the talent Sushant Singh Rajput had. And I think everybody in India recognized the enormity of his talent and the scale of his talent when they saw him play the role of Dhoni. Remember, it's not easy to play in a biopic where the person is around, whose life is being tracked by people, and is still playing active cricket. Dhoni is possibly one of the few superstars in India or in the world whose biopic was made when he was still an active cricketer. And the reason why it is complicated as an actor is because you have to copy every single mannerism, your walk, your gait, which people are completely used to. This was not some olden days star like, for instance, Milkha Singh, who people haven't seen so much in action on television. So they are not very sure of the mannerisms of the walking style or the talking style of Milkha Singh, for instance, in his heyday. But everybody knows Dhoni. For an actor to play a role like that speaks volumes about the kind of talent he had. And I think most people, when they were dissecting that particular role, had said that he did an exceedingly good job of it. I mean, it was the way he played the shots, the way he was walking, the way he talked. Everything was very, very well done. And that possibly tells you how good an actor he was and how much of a talent he was. Films like Shuddh Desi Romance, for instance, they kind of rewrote the emergence of the soft romance that the Indian cinema had kind of lost for a while in between. And he was, in that sense, apart from Ayushmann Khurrana, the new soft romance, middle class, typical Indian boy who either played roles of aspiration or played roles of desperation. But he was pretty much the first choice for most directors in that sense. So for such a talented and a successful person who possibly did not have any obvious problems or pressures in life, it was shocking. Remember, Avni, in the film industry or Tinseltown is not a stranger to people ending their lives because of various reasons or because of extraneous reasons. But usually you will see that those are linked to either career failures or they're linked to personal problems or an affair gone wrong or something, or a financial problem. None of them were really possibly true on the face of it with Sushant Singh Rajput. I mean, there were no real obvious financial problems. His career was going great, and he was being widely acclaimed as possibly the best talent you have around him. So, as I said, this is going to go down as a very, very shocking moment for the industry, and a lot will have to be said and found out going forward on why something like this happened, and also possibly the need to find out why we possibly need some kind of a support system for celebrities and stars, because this is going to shatter a lot of people in the industry as well, I think.